Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most popular investment options of recent times, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been creating a buzz in the financial world, and many people have started to invest in it. But, is Bitcoin a safe investment? Is it worth investing in? Well, in this video, we'll dive deep into the topic and explore the risks and rewards of investing in Bitcoin. Part 1. What is Bitcoin? Before we talk about the risks and rewards of investing in Bitcoin, let's first understand what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it operates on a decentralized network called a blockchain. Part 2. Risks of investing in Bitcoin. Now that we understand what Bitcoin is, let's talk about the risks of investing in Bitcoin. Volatility. Bitcoin is known for its extreme price volatility. Its value can change rapidly and unpredictably, which can result in significant losses for investors. Security. Bitcoin is stored in digital wallets, and these wallets are vulnerable to hacking and theft. If your wallet is hacked or your private key is stolen, you could lose all your Bitcoins. Regulation. Bitcoin is not regulated by any government or financial institution. This lack of regulation can lead to uncertainty and make it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. Adoption. Bitcoin is still a relatively new technology, and its adoption is not widespread. As a result, it may be difficult to use or exchange Bitcoin for goods and services. Part 3. Rewards of investing in Bitcoin. Despite the risks, many people have made significant profits from investing in Bitcoin. Let's talk about the rewards of investing in Bitcoin. High returns. Bitcoin has the potential for high returns. In the past, the value of Bitcoin has increased significantly, and many investors have made significant profits. Decentralization. Bitcoin is decentralized, which means it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This gives investors more control over their money and can protect them from inflation or currency devaluation. Liquidity. Bitcoin is highly liquid, which means it can be bought and sold quickly and easily. This makes it a great option for investors who need access to their funds quickly. Investment diversity. Bitcoin provides an opportunity for investors to diversify their portfolio. By investing in Bitcoin, investors can hedge against inflation and reduce their overall risk. Thanks for watching our video on understanding the risks and rewards of investing in Bitcoin. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into this popular investment option. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have any experiences investing in Bitcoin that you'd like to share. We always love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.